Have you ever seen the inside of this tropical fruit? This is Vietnamese passion fruit, also known as Chan Dai, and it's one of the most unique tropical fruits you'll ever taste. In this video, I'll show you what it looks like when it's ripe, what's inside, how it tastes, and how we use it here in Vietnam, from juice to chewy snacks. Let's start with what passion fruit actually is. It's a tropical fruit that grows on climbing vines. When it's unripe, the skin is green and smooth. As it ripens, it turns deep purple. And when it's fully ripe, the skin starts to wrinkle. That's when the flavor is sweetest, and the aroma is at its best. But what's inside? Let's cut one open and take a closer look. Now let's see what's really going on inside this little fruit. As soon as you slice it open, you'll see this bright golden pulp, full of juicy seeds. It might look a little strange at first, but this is where all the flavor lives. The texture is soft and jelly-like, and the smell, tart, fruity, incredibly fresh, with a sweet tropical scent that's hard to resist. So how do you eat it? The easiest way? Just grab a spoon and scoop it straight from the shell. Some people like it just like this, tart, refreshing, and full of texture. Others might add a little sugar or honey to balance the sourness. Either way, it's delicious. But in Vietnam, we don't just eat it straight. We use passion fruit in a bunch of delicious ways. Let me show you a few of the most popular ones. First up, passion fruit juice. It's popular here, especially during the hot summer months. Just scoop out the pulp, add water, a bit of sugar or honey, and ice. That's it. Sweet, tangy, and very refreshing. Next, soft dried passion fruit. This chewy snack is loved for its sweet tart flavor and tropical aroma. It's made by gently drying ripe passion fruit slices, which softens the sourness and brings out a mellow sweetness. The flavor is a perfect balance of sweet and tangy, fruity, soft, and really satisfying. If you'd like to try it, I've added a link in the description. It's an affiliate link, which means I may earn a small commission if you make a purchase at no extra cost to you. And that's Vietnamese passion fruit, sweet, tangy, and full of tropical flavor. From juice to chewy snacks, it's simple, flavorful, and worth a try. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and check the description below for extra tips and links. Thanks for watching. See you next time.